In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a presentation for any topic in less than 2 minutes using 2 free AI tools. Let's see. First, head over to ChatGPT. Then go to Explore GPTs. From here, you need to look for a GPT called Course Creator. I have already searched it, so you can see it here. Click Start Chat. Now we need to give it a prompt about the lesson we wanted to create an outline for. So type your topic. Let's try photosynthesis. Then give some details about your audience. Let's say that mine is students around 10-year-old. And then you need to specify the presentation's length. So let's ask for a 10 slides presentation. Hit the generate button and give it some seconds. We've got our slides. Now we're gonna copy them. So I'm gonna Control C or just hit copy, and then I'll open another AI tool I have showed you many times in the past called gamma.app. I'll hit create new, then I'll choose the paste in text option. I'll now paste what I've copied earlier, select the type of the generated output, which is gonna be a presentation. I'm gonna click continue, and afterwards I can see that I can adjust a few options. First, the amount of text per card. I prefer going medium because we are discussing about elementary school students. The tone that we would like the AI to use, the output language, and what model to choose for the generated images that Gamma will create to accompany the presentation. I'll leave it as it is and hit the continue button. Then I'll select a theme that matches my presentation. Let's select colorful ones. Let's try the green. Okay, looks nice. And I'll hit generate and wait. The presentation is generated in front of me. The presentation looks pretty nice. The visuals are AI generated and are close to what I asked, because I asked for a presentation for 10-year-olds. And yeah, here it is. Now that the presentation is ready, I can either present it by hitting this button over here, or I can download it as a PowerPoint presentation to use it later on. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, remember to like it. Cheers!